The walls of Jericho were supposedly impenetrable, yet they crumbled from sound waves alone. I studied the acoustic engineering behind this biblical story, and the science is actually fascinating. When Joshua's army marched around Jericho for 7 days, they weren't just following religious ritual. They were creating a resonance frequency pattern. On the 7th day, they blew trumpets and shouted simultaneously, generating what physicists call constructive interference. Every structure has a natural frequency, and when you match it with external vibrations, you get resonance amplification. Think of an opera singer shattering wine glasses, but scaled up massively. The limestone walls of ancient Jericho would have been particularly vulnerable to low-frequency sound waves. Modern demolition actually uses similar acoustic principles. Whether you believe it was divine intervention or physics, the story demonstrates how ancient people understood sound manipulation thousands of years before we had the science to explain it.